Hi everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Have I got a monster for you? 2005 Chevy Corvette C6 LS2 with the twin turbo. It's the SDS setup. It's supposed to do 605 horse. It's tuned. Car is awesome. 37,000 miles. Black with the cashmere, heated seats, Z51 package, preferred package, factory navigation, Bose audio. Car is awesome. One owner up until this year. Buddy of mine bought it from the original owner. He doesn't keep anything more than a few months, so it's basically a one owner. Fully inspected, 100-point inspection, passed it with 5 flying colors. Car looks like new, drives like new, 37,000 miles. Has that STS twin turbo mounted on the rear. Have the polished rims on it. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Oh, Tegra top. Remember, we were the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees. Yeah. Pull those emblems off, nobody would know that you have yourself a twin turbo car, ultimate sleeper in a Corvette.